Imagine walking into a space overflowing with lush, bushy greenery, a home that feels vibrant, fresh, and alive. That's the magic of bushy houseplants. These plants don't just decorate a room, they transform it with their rich foliage, purify the air, and create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Whether you want something tall and dramatic or compact and charming, we've got the perfect picks for you. Let's dive into the 15 most popular bushy houseplants that will bring a touch of nature and elegance to your home. 1. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum boni, the playful cascader. If you love a full, lively plant with personality, the spider plant is a perfect choice. Its long, curly green leaves spill over the edges of pots, and as it matures, it produces adorable spiderettes that dangle from the plant like little decorations. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light, but can handle some shade, and it only needs watering once the topsoil dries out. Over time, it becomes even bushier as it continues to sprout new offshoots, making it a fun and ever-growing masterpiece. 2. Areca Palm, Dypsis lutescens, the indoor jungle star. Dreaming of a tropical escape inside your home? The Areca Palm is your answer. With its soft, feathery fronds that grow thick and full, this plant adds a lush, exotic vibe to any space. It's also a powerful air purifier that helps remove toxins and boosts humidity levels. To keep it thriving, place it in bright, indirect light and water it when the top inch of soil feels dry. With the right care, your Areca Palm will grow into a bushy, elegant showpiece that brings the tropics indoors. 3. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica bushy king, the bold beauty. If you're looking for a plant with a modern, bold aesthetic, the rubber plant is perfect. With thick, deep green leaves and a compact, bushy growth habit, it's a striking statement piece for any room. It thrives in bright, indirect light, and while it can tolerate some lower light, it grows fuller with more sunlight. Water it when the topsoil is dry, and occasionally wipe the leaves to keep them shiny and dust-free. Over time, this plant becomes a dense, glossy masterpiece that exudes elegance and style. 4. Pilea Peperomioides, Chinese money plant, the round and compact beauty. With its cute, coin-shaped leaves and dense, bushy growth, the Chinese money plant is both a symbol of luck and a stunning indoor plant. It's easy to care for. Just keep it in bright, indirect light, water when the soil feels dry, and it will reward you with fast, healthy growth. It even produces tiny plantlets that you can propagate and share. This adorable, compact plant is a fantastic addition to any home, bringing charm, greenery, and a little bit of good fortune. 5. Schefflera, umbrella plant, the full and lush favorite. If you want a bushy plant that grows fast and looks full, the Schefflera is a perfect pick. Its glossy green leaves fan out like an umbrella, giving it a lush, tree-like appearance. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light, but can handle lower light conditions. Water it when the soil is dry, and rotate the pot occasionally to encourage even, bushy growth. 6. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum, the air-purifying classic. Famous for its graceful dark green leaves and white blooms, the peace lily is both beautiful and beneficial. It's a powerful air purifier that helps remove toxins, making your home fresher and healthier. This plant loves low to medium light and needs watering when the soil starts to dry out. Its leaves will droop slightly when it's thirsty, making it easy to read its needs. Its lush, full foliage makes it perfect for creating a peaceful, elegant vibe in any space. 7. Boston Fern, Nephrolepis exaltata, the elegant cascader. If you're after soft, bushy, and vibrant greenery, the Boston Fern is a classic choice. Its delicate, feathery fronds spill beautifully over the edges of pots, making it perfect for hanging baskets or elevated shelves. This plant loves high humidity, so keep it in a bathroom or mist it regularly. Place it in indirect light and water consistently to keep the soil evenly moist. With its luxurious cascading foliage, the Boston Fern is an easy way to bring a wild yet elegant jungle look to your home. 8. Calathea Medallion, the dramatic showstopper. Calatheas are known for their stunning, patterned foliage, and the medallion variety is especially bushy and full. Its large, round leaves feature deep green patterns on top and rich purple undersides, making it a visual treat. This plant prefers medium to bright, indirect light and consistently moist, but not soggy soil. 9. Philodendron Brasil, the trailing bushy wonder. A mix of bushy and vining, Philodendron Brasil is a dream for plant lovers. Its variegated heart-shaped leaves grow thick and full, giving it a lush, overflowing look. This plant is super low maintenance, just keep it in bright, indirect light and water when the soil feels dry. As it grows, it becomes an abundant cascade of greenery, perfect for shelves, hanging baskets, or letting it trail freely. 10th. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia, the indestructible beauty. If you need a bushy, glossy, and practically unkillable plant, the ZZ plant is for you. Its thick, waxy green leaves grow in a full, compact form, making it an ideal choice for busy plant parents. It thrives in low to bright light and only needs occasional watering. Plus, it's an excellent air purifier. With its modern, structured look, the ZZ plant is both stylish and effortless to maintain. 11th. Fiddle Leaf Fig, Ficus lyrata, the dramatic statement plant. If you want a bold, eye-catching centerpiece, the Fiddle Leaf Fig is the ultimate statement plant. With its large, violin-shaped leaves and upright, bushy growth, it instantly adds elegance and personality to any space. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers a consistent watering schedule. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out before watering. 12th. Dumb cane, Dieffenbachia, the full and lively charmer. Looking for a bushy plant with a pop of color? The dumb cane is a fantastic choice. Its large, variegated leaves display gorgeous shades of green, cream, and yellow, making it a bright and lively addition to any home. It grows fast and full with minimal care, needing only moderate light and occasional watering. Be sure to keep it away from pets as its sap can be toxic. With its dense foliage and striking patterns, the dumb cane is a standout houseplant that effortlessly fills any space with greenery. 13. Syonginum, arrowhead plant, the versatile bushy beauty. If you want a lush, fast-growing houseplant with an ever-changing look, Syonginum is a fantastic choice. With its arrow-shaped leaves that start out small and gradually become more full and bushy, this plant brings a tropical charm to any indoor space. Available in shades of green, pink, white, and even variegated patterns, Syonginum adds a soft yet vibrant touch to your home. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light, but can also adapt to low-light conditions, making it perfect for any corner of the house. Keep the soil slightly moist, but don't overwater. It enjoys humidity, but hates sitting in soggy soil. One of the best things about Syonginum is its versatility. You can let it grow bushy in a pot, trail gracefully from a hanging planter, or even train it to climb. It's an easy-care, air-purifying plant that fills your space with freshness and beauty effortlessly. 14th Polka Dot Plant, Hypoestes phylostachya, the bushy pop of color. For those who love colorful foliage, the polka dot plant is a must-have. Its bushy, compact form is covered in pink, red, or white speckled leaves, giving it a vibrant, playful appearance. It thrives in bright, indirect light and loves regular watering to keep the soil slightly moist. As it matures, it grows thicker and fuller, adding an unexpected splash of personality to any indoor space. If you want a bushy plant with a cheerful twist, this one's for you. 15. Peperomia obtusifolia, baby rubber plant, the cute and compact greenery. If you love thick, glossy, and bushy foliage, the baby rubber plant is a perfect choice. With its rounded, succulent-like leaves and dense growth habit, it looks full and vibrant year-round. It thrives in medium to bright indirect light and requires only light watering, making it an easy-care beauty. Its small size makes it great for shelves, desks, or countertops, adding a neat and tidy touch of greenery without taking up too much space. Bushy houseplants aren't just about looks. They bring a refreshing energy, clean air, and a touch of nature into your home. Whether you prefer the tropical elegance of the Areca Palm, the playful charm of the spider plant, or the dramatic beauty of the Calathea Medallion. There's a perfect plant for every space and style. Which one is your favorite? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more plant inspiration. See you in the next video.